In this video, we're going to be going over theorem 0.065, and it's called the Saccheri-legendre Theorem. It states that given any triangle, we'll call it triangle ABC, there is another triangle with the same angle sum and one angle measure less than or equal to half the measure of angle A. In other words, we can make this as small as we want as long as we just keep repeating the theorem over and over. But it's only going to prove that we can get it less than or equal to half. It won't tell us which one, but if we get one less than or equal to half of that, we'll get it continuously smaller. So the proof says, given triangle ABC, we'll let D be a point such that it is, well, such that ACD, so it is, C is between A and D, is how I would want to word this. And we'll say let M be the midpoint of BC. Scroll down a little bit and draw this. It's going to be a fairly long theorem, so I do want to put it at the bottom here, so if I have to scroll down further, don't have to, well, we'll still get to see it. So we'll start out with the triangle ABC, and we have a point D such that it's somewhere out here, and we have M as the midpoint of B and C. No, forgot to label these. A, B, C. So, recall that triangle AMB is congruent to triangle EMC. We want to show, should probably put point E out here. So we want to show that triangle AEC is the desired triangle. Well, we can say by angle addition, one of angle BAE and angle EAC as measure less than or equal to half the measure of angle BAC. Then, since angle E is congruent to angle BAE. We have one of angle E and angle EAC has measure less than or equal to half the measure of angle A. Well, it turns out that both of these angles are in triangle EAC. So we must still prove the first part of our theorem. Well, note that the sum for triangle ABC equals measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle ACB, which equals the measure of angle E plus measure of angle EAC plus measure of angle BCE plus measure of angle ACB, which equals measure of angle E plus measure of angle EAC plus measure of angle ACE. The triangle we want is triangle AEC. So measure of angle E plus measure of angle EAC plus measure of angle ACE equals the sum of triangle AEC.